Welcome, Wealth Fam, to the first garage. We are going to be cleaning this up. We've got remnants from tons of home renovations here. We've got boxes up here that need to go. We've got the winter storage in the corner. Probably won't do a ton over here, aside from maybe sorting some more stuff there.
Well, we might stack this up, right? And then be able to put
and we even have a little room, possibly in the shed out back.
Okay.
Where we might put some stuff. All this wood, I think we're going to be putting up here. This whole mess over here at one point was sorted, but doing like renovation stuff and people borrowing stuff.
He's going from house renovations to car renovations.
Right.
So, but you know, we're going to get all the car tools in here, and we got some cool new stuff we're going to be installing, right? You got?
Yep, we got some. We're waiting on a pair of lights yet, but we have a bunch of LED lights we're going to be running. I think this way.
Yep.
On both sides.
We might seal some of that up as well.
Yeah, we got some of this Luan board that actually came with the house back here, and
just to make it nice. I mean,
and like better for light and stuff.
Yeah.
We're gonna probably close some of this up. What else we got? Oh, we got some whiteboards coming in. That way we can keep track over here of what we paid for the car, and then like
little
parts and all that stuff. You'll also see we have a board coming as well for stupid crap that Noah's done and stupid crap that Alan's done.
We're gonna have a little competition, see who breaks the most stuff.
Unfortunately, I've already got a couple marks.
We'll update you all on that in a bit.
You'll see that.
And then we might even do a heater, right? We have a contractor coming over. We're gonna install hopefully a 50,000 BTU gas heater.
It's a contractor friend, lives a couple blocks down.
Get that installed.
Most of the work of stuff we're doing, like the selector panel he put in.
But it should be work. I mean, we actually used to have a grow tent over here, and we had some mining rigs. We had we used to do a bunch of crypto mining. Obviously, that's kind of died. So
like 24 cards total.
Yeah,
like
24 cards. So
we
have some shots of it. We might throw a picture in this video.
We got
big exhaust fans.
Exhaust fans. We had all rigged up, and then shooting out that window. You'd walk past, and if you had like your hat off, it'd blow your hair back.
It's pretty powerful. So
we sold all that, and we're actually, Alan is going up to, there's a Shell station up here where we do all of our shady Craigslist Facebook deals. Going up to the last 2 cards of that, and all of that money is being reinvested into cars. So we're getting the tools and Subarus and engines and all sorts of stuff.
So sweet. Well, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna dive into this before it gets too cold. It's a brisk, like 40, 38 degrees out, something like that. A little bit of rain, and
out here in nice Michigan.
We'll shoot a nice little time lapse of the garage cleanup and renovations, so we can get started on this Subaru. I accidentally measured to the edge of the light, not center of the light, so I'm about 2.5 inches off. So we either just pluck that guy up right there and have a crack, or we make the hole bigger. I said we make the hole bigger.
We got all the wood up, and these are the lights we got. And how many we got coming again?
12.
12 of these boys coming. So it's gonna get bright in here. You guys will be able to see everything. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Maybe overkill. We'll see.
But in a couple days, we went from Noah's, I don't even know what you call that, hoard to clean and able to actually turn a wrench.
How many days? Was that 3 days work?
Or 3 days, yeah.
Yeah, three days work,
so
yeah.
It's been crazy. And also it's been like, I mean, it's freezing out. That's why we're wearing this. We're waiting on our heater. We'll probably install either over here or up there. We're not sure yet. But
I think over here maybe, because then we'll kind of...
Yeah. And in one of our videos, we might have said we got a 50,000 BTU. We actually went to a electric heater. It's supposed to be a 5,000 watt. So they have a couple of stages above. If this one doesn't heat well, we'll do some upgrades. But we got the garage wired for whatever we need. So
we got the sub panel over there.
Yeah, 100 amp sub panel.
And that was used for mining.
Yep, so. From our mining. So quick little walkthrough. Obviously, this is just temporary to get us through winter. We are going to be upgrading to a nicer shop one of these days as we continue to advance. So we just laid some glue on that. Noah had laying around, did a quick little paint, gray and white on the ceiling. Then we bought these lights off Amazon. They're like
Black Friday deal was
Black Friday, 12 of them, so 2 packs of 6 for $90. Got a 2-year warranty, so pretty solid. Picked up a whiteboard. So this whiteboard we'll use for like our parts list and also like what we have involved, like cost wise, so you can see like our running total on this car as we do it. This whiteboard we're doing what we call our dumb tally, which is basically mess ups that Noah and I did, and we're having a little fun little competition, see who gets the most check marks. We haven't decided what the loser's gonna have to do.
Oh,
do something. So
I didn't know you didn't tell me about that part of this.
But yeah, just stuff. We got to point out our awesome cat neon. That's a must. We're huge cat fans here, so you'll be seeing a lot of our various cats in our videos. Or Noah's chickens. You might have seen a chicken video already, but if not, stay tuned. There's some funny chicken videos. We got a toolbox coming here, and we got a bunch of tools inside right now. We got, they're just showing up. I'm traveling for the next few days, and Noah's traveling for the next few days. So when we get back, all our new tools will be here. We'll make a video on unboxing it, putting together all our jacks and jack stands and cherry picker and toolbox and everything like that. But
cherry picker we still have to find, actually.
Well, we have a rain check on one. But
that's right. From Harbor Freight.
Yeah, we're just getting the Harbor Freight. I've used one for a long time. Just hopefully get their 2-ton. It was on sale for like $250, and it'll do what we need to do until we get upgrade a little bit. But for the time being, they're pretty solid. So
yep. And then you guys will see in the time lapse or anything, but over here is even a huge improvement. We took all the like summer furniture, I guess you call it.
Yeah, patio furniture, kids' bikes, all that stuff. So
that's all in the shed for the winter.
Yeah, so there's a shed out back.
And then we took down that shelf from up there.
Yeah, which the previous house owner, it's just a door, but I mean it's pretty solid. So we just figured maybe we can set up some laptops over here while we're working on the car. If we got to look up like torque specs or how-tos, or I don't know, maybe we want to check in on some of our other YouTube channels that we like to follow and see what they're up to. So other than that, I mean, that's really going to be it for this video. We appreciate you guys checking us out. Hopefully you like it. We got plenty more to come, and if you like it, please give us a like and a subscribe, and tune in for some more,
and turn on those notifications. Taking a little break for dinner. We've got Jets Pizza, 8-corner Hawaiian, 2 times pineapple. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
Yes.
Let us know in the comments. I think it does.